This is an emergency warning system. Please stand by for further information. This is an emergency warning system. The Brookhaven Police Department has issued in civil war against Bloxburg, Life Paradise, and other role-play games. This will end in 6:23 Eastern Standard Time, at 2:34 p.m. Bloxburg has rain bombs into the plaza of Brookhaven. People are advised to not go in public places from now on. People are advised to evacuate at Thossawo live near the plaza. Police and military will inform you if needed to evacuate. Prepare food, water, first aid kit, flashlight, cash, birth certificate, and etc. Evacuate to the nearest shelter, military base, police station or bomb shelter.